Palmflip tutorial.
Ooh.
That's sick.
Hi, I'm Lionel. We're going to be doing a Palmflip tutorial today. So there are two things you should be able to do before you try this trick. You need to be able to do a backflip and a Kong. Both of them need to be really, really good. If you don't have any of those things, you should probably stop watching this video. Okay, so there are three types of palm flip. There's the standard palm flip, the low palm, and the one-step palm. In this tutorial, I'm going to be doing all three. If you have a gym access, honestly, that'd be the best way to go about it. So, with that out of the way, we're going to start with the standard palm flip first because it's the easiest one to learn outside. So, if you have gym access, like I said, that'd be the best way to go about this. But here is the set for the standard palm flip. So, you can either start from standing or from running, whichever one you prefer. But what matters is how you get into this trick. So, what you want to do is you don't want to push, jump, and then tuck, because if you do things in that order, you'll actually start rotating into the wall, and that's not what you want. What you want to do instead is you want to jump, have your hands up here, so that way by the time that you jump, you'll scoop up like a Kong, and by the time you push with your shoulder, you'll start rotating backward. I'll show you the set right now. Here's an example of what it looks like without rotating. So you see when I jumped, scooped up, pushed, and then tucked, my rotation would have went away from the wall, it wouldn't have gone close. So what you're gonna do is you're going to jump, have your hands a little bit above eye level, you're gonna jump, you're gonna scoop up just like in a Kong, you're gonna push with the arms, initiate with the shoulders, and then you're gonna tuck. Here's an example of what a standard palm flip looks like from like one step. Alright, so if you want to learn the low palm, I would suggest finding a wall like this. Something around shoulder height would honestly be preferable for you to learn this. So for the set for the low palm, it's going to be the exact same as the standard palm flip, except now your wall is just a little bit lower than you would like. So what I like to do personally is I'm going to be arms distance away from the wall, yeah? But I'm not going to start up here. If I do that, when I try to push, I'm going to probably rotate in the wall, and you don't want that. So what you want to do is you want to start low, like this. You see how I'm like really far out. My shoulders are already initiated, but I'm going to get my body low. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump up and into the wall. So that way, by the time I push and initiate with my shoulders, my rotation will stay firmly in the same place. And what you're going to do is you're going to lock out your shoulders once you jump into the wall. You're going to start tucking, and as soon as you feel your feet going up the wall, you're just going to hold on and you're just going to tuck as hard as you can. For this one, rotation speed matters. The faster you rotate, the faster you can land, and it'll just look nice. So, once again, arms away. Low body, hips low, you're going to jump up into the wall, then you're going to push and lock out with your shoulders. I'll give you an example right now. Unfortunately, I couldn't get a fresh clip for the one-step palm flip, so hopefully this clip will do. What you're going to do is when you do your one-step palm flip, you're going to set like a wall run, but instead you're going to swing your arms up and have your hands above eye level. So once you reach the apex of your wall run, so basically when your wall run is just about to stop traveling up, you're going to push and scoop and treat it just like a regular palm flip. Since you're going up, you don't need to rotate as fast, but I would recommend still rotating as fast as you can, so that way you can spot the floor and land on your feet. And hopefully you guys liked my palm flip tutorial. It was a really fun thing to do. I've never filmed a tutorial before, like in this manner, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want more, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and make sure you follow Sad Boy Parkour, Ferris Movement, and if you guys want exclusive tutorials, make sure you follow my OnlyFans.